Hi guys, welcome to BPrep where we whiteboard quant questions appeared in previous year papers. Before we start with the question, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel to get updates on latest videos if you are preparing for any of the competitive exams. Let's start. A city has an average demand of water of 33,000 liters of water which lasts for 50 days. But if some people enter the city, then the demand increases to 37,000 liters of water for which supply will last 35 days. Give an estimate of how much minimum water should be used daily so that it could last 50 days. So this question is a bit ambiguous and the problem statement is not that clear, but what I could understand from the problem and try to match the answer later is the average demand of water is 33,000 liters. Okay, so 33 into 10 to the power 3 liters of water per day. So we need to, because this is given as average, we need to assume this is average consumption per day. So this much water is consumed for 50 days. Okay, so total water consumed in 50 days is 33 into 50. So we'll get 5, 6, 1, 0 into 10 to the power 3. Okay, so this is the average consumption and for which supply lasts 50 days. That means this is the max capacity of water which can be supplied to the city, right? So this is the water supply capacity. Now if some people enter the city, then the demand increases to 37,000 liters and lasts for 35 days. So if some people entering the city, the demand is increasing from 33,000 per liter to 33,000 per day to 37,000 per day, and it lasts for 35 days. Okay, so if it lasts for 35 days, then total water consumed in these 35 days is 37 into 35 is 5912 into 10 to the power 3. Okay, so in 35 days how much total water is consumed? So this was the max capacity, like total maximum volume of water which can be given in 50 days, and in 35 days this much water is consumed. So how much total water is consumed out of 1650? If you subtract 1295, we'll get 533 into 10 to the power 3. Okay, so out of this much water, this water is consumed, so the city is left with a remaining supply of this much water. Now this water should go for 15 more days, because it is being asked that what is the what should be the average uses from now on for which it will last for 50 days. So in 35 days this much water is already consumed out of this water, so we have left with 335 into 10 to the power 3 liters of water, and it has to go for next 15 days. Out of 50 days, 35 days is gone. So if we divide 335 by 15, so we'll get 2, 3, 666 into 10 to the power 3. Okay, so it will come as 23,666 liters of water per day. So again, like, this question was ambiguous, but what I could understand is in 50 days this much water can be supplied to the city. In 35 days people has consumed this much, so for next 15 remaining days they have to manage with this much water, and the average then will be 335 by 15, so 23,666 liters per day will be the answer. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts or questions, please post in comments. And guys, please do subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button below to get updates on latest videos. Thank you.